Welcome to my honest review of VideoGrabber. Today, we're diving into a detailed walkthrough of this popular online tool that claims to simplify the process of downloading videos from various websites. From the moment you land on the homepage, the design is straightforward and user-friendly. There's a prominent URL box where you simply paste the video link you want to download. No need to install any software, which is a big plus for those looking for quick solutions. VideoGrabber supports a variety of video hosting sites, making it versatile for users who want to download content from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and more. It also offers options to convert videos into various formats, including MP4, AVI, and even audio formats like MP3. This is especially useful if you're looking to extract only the audio from a video. However, one noticeable downside is that the free version of VideoGrabber has limitations. Some high-quality formats are only available to premium users, and you may encounter occasional ads. The download speed can also vary depending on the size of the video and the traffic on their servers, which can be frustrating at times. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. VideoGrabber makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Moving on, VideoGrabber also offers a screen recording feature, which can be useful if you need to capture live streams or record your own content. It's fairly easy to use, with basic editing functionalities allowing you to trim videos and make simple adjustments. But again, advanced editing features are locked behind the premium subscription. In terms of usability, the platform is mostly reliable, but there are occasional compatibility issues with certain sites. If you're looking for something free and straightforward, the basic features work well. But if you need higher quality downloads or more advanced features, you may need to consider upgrading to the paid version. Overall, VideoGrabber is a decent option if you're searching for a simple, web-based video downloader. Its biggest strengths are ease of use and format versatility. However, if you need fast, high-quality downloads without limitations, the free version might leave you feeling restricted. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and guides on useful online tools.